Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can teleport someone to you on Minecraft. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Minecraft game on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, in order to teleport a person to your location, you just need to follow these simple steps. Start by opening the command chat. You can do that by pressing the T key on your keyboard. After that, type in /TP space the target person's username and then enter the location to which you want to teleport that person. In our case, we want them to be at our location, so we just need to type in our username. Once you do, press enter and that target person will be teleported to you. So that's basically how you can teleport someone to you on Minecraft. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.